Catch that. Yeah, my peace. Pleasant good day to all my people again. We are here once again with another epic adventure. So today, we're up on the seaside. So today, what we're gonna do, we're gonna match up some steamed fish with some callaloo and some crackers. I'm gonna roast some potato. I'm gonna also roast some conch, some squid. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna get the coal light up and then we're gonna set on the pot and half cook the callaloo. Then we're gonna take it from there, sir. So I want to stay tuned. Meanwhile, I cut up a callaloo. I remember my people, I'm asking you please and kindly if you could just subscribe and like and share up the video, please. I'm asking you all with due respect. So catch me now. I gotta get the callaloo clean up. We got some jerk season and we got some all-purpose and we got some black pepper. Anyway, we can carry some mango for our house to go and eat in the meanwhile. So now we got our scallion, we got some okra, we got pepper, we got thyme, a piece of butter. So we're gonna get down to the action now, get the callaloo cut up. But before I cut up the callaloo, I'm gonna go and light up the fire first. So the fire go and get in action. Yeah, so I go get them in action now, get the fire light. Get the fire light now, my people. Yeah, I can cut this up. So make sure so we add a little salt. Whenever we're washing up the callaloo, we use a little salt. So in case any insect should up on the callaloo, you know the salt get that perish. Yeah man. So remember whenever you're washing off your callaloo, you need to add a little bit of salt to get rid of the insect in case any insect itch up on your callaloo, you know that. So we're just doing the right thing outside my people. Get it straight up. And straight up. Yeah, my people, callaloo wash off pretty and nice. Looking lovely, you know. So we already got our cutting board cleaned up already and everything was clean before. But anyway, use this on the napkin and wipe off the cutting board again, same way. Okay, and anything we do have to look clean, you know, my people. Cleanliness, me say, is godliness, you know. You see me? So get the callaloo them now, cut up the callaloo the proper way now, you know. What do you think this I do? I'm going to use the board, but you know, put up the color in the pot. Yeah, my peeps, so I get all I season them wash off and now properly and nice, you know? Very properly, very nicely. Wash off the season them. This is it. So I'll get the season them cut up now. Get them cut up. In the color roll now, you know? Onion. Got a pepper. Yeah, my peeps. Hot pepper. I will have some remember, no people, the thing I do have to use okra. Okra one of the most important things, believe it or not. Yeah man, keep your body parts strong, you know. You have to use the okra there, you know? Yeah man. For all the hard working people, them okra have to eat, done. Another pepper, my people. So we want it spicy, you know. So we're going to add some scallion. Yeah, my peep, we're going to use you know, so time I have to use, don't my people? I have to use the time, you know? And we did carry a little piece of ginger. Yes, man, but we're not going to use all of it, just a little piece. Chop up the ginger fine, because you don't know, you don't want to eat and you taste no ginger in your mouth, no big piece of ginger, don't my peeps? So just do the ginger very fine. And then after I do that, you just drop it. Like that. Oh my god. So we're going to do now, peeps. We have some jerk season. I'm going to tip a little bit of jerk season. Just a little bit of salt, not too much. We have some all-purpose. Have a little bit of fish season. So we're going to add on a little tip of butter. And I'm going to add a little tip of black pepper. Not too much. And then add a little water. Here I go set it on the fire. So a little tip of water, not too much. we're gonna add some of the seasoning to it. I'm gonna use a fork. You know it come down now. But anyway, people, all of the seasoning gonna go inside the callaloo, so we can use it to stuff with the fish. But we're not gonna use all of the seasoning at the same time. We're gonna wait until some of them go and work out in the pot. Then we just add the balance. So we're gonna go now a little stir up of the pot, show you how it look pretty. Callaloo clean up the prettiest way you can. Season looking so clean. Everything looking very clean. Yes, my people, thank Almighty for everything He done for us, you know. Yeah, my people, that are the callaloo all this night already. So the new pot cover going to be, it's a the new pot cover, my people, to the day. Just to the day, the new pot cover. Yeah, man. So we build the new pot cover. It's not in the people, that's how we do it. Build the new pot cover, you know. Just tighten it by the little side. Just tighten it. So even the breeze can't blow it off. You tighten it, number people. So here come, you find a new pot cover. Just eat a little fish like that. And even the breeze. So that is it, my people. So we have Irish potato same here. What we're going to roast it and the sweet potato. So both of them go roast. As I said before. So we have the fish them here. I'm going to take out the fish them and get them seasoned up in the meat. Right here, we now waste no time. We just have jump into the action, peeps. We just jump into the action, you know. Now waste no time. Action, just action. Them to season up now. So we can go ahead and just get things done. Very nice, lovely fish. Very lovely. Very nice, lovely fish, my people. Very lovely, you know. So as I said before, my people, we have a bin in our pocket where we store all our garbage. So what I'm gonna do now, get the fish them seasoned up. I'm gonna use some fish seasoning. Got some all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna use the all-purpose seasoning also. And I finish putting all seasoning, I'm gonna use my finger and rub it in, you know. So very nice, you know, very spicy and nice. So I believe we're gonna add a little tip of salt. We don't really need salt because there's a seasoning from with their own spicy and everything like this. But just a little tip, you know. Just a little tip, not much. I have some jerk seasoning. What else season? Look at it for the jerk seasoning. Yeah. Everything just spicy and nice. Yeah man, spicy and nice, you know? Yeah man. That, my people. That, you know? That. Yeah guys, looking good, looking better, you know. Yeah man. Put pan back in hot. Yeah man, put on it at that in fit, you know. Nice, beautiful day, you know. As you can see, the place that's beautiful. But the sea can a little bit rough today. You know, so calm as usual. Yeah, my peeps, I got show the rest of the season in the pot now with the time and everything, you know. Make another lovely story up. Yeah, my peeps, ready or now, you know? Ready or now, so I got to take it off and put it one side. Yeah, man, put it one side, make it go on simmer down the right way, you know? Cover him back up, nice and easy. So, I go get. We already wash off the grill, clean and pretty. Put on the griller now. So I go get the fish them wrapped up and all. Yeah, my peeps. So, cause I go and put on some of the squid and the conch. In the meanwhile, on the grill. Yeah, my people, so you can see the squid and 2 pieces of the conch. Looking so lovely, you know. Mr. Madonna, where's spoon? Yeah, my people, so I go get some of the fish them. This is how we do it, you know? This is how we do it, my lovely people. Yeah man, this is how we do it.
This is how we do it in Jamaica.
So what am I gonna do now, my peeps? We're gonna wrap all of them this way. After we finish wrap all of them this way, we're gonna get the juice off of the callaloo and throw inside this. Then they go wicked. So just stay tuned, my people. Me and me going to let the fish them wrap out. Yeah man. Feeling good. Looking good. Looking better. Bush style, you know? Bush style. Yeah, my peeps, this is it. Come on, cuz. Let my people them see what's going on. A lot of conch leaf, a lot of squid. And we got octopus. So much different thing we got leaf over. So regarding some two more, I'm a friend. That's the Rasta Bobby and Chucky. But I believe they get caught up. They have to go to work. So they're not going to be available to come. So it's just me and cuz alone. So we're going to get them in action. We're going to get the fish them put on right away. We're going to put on the two sweet potato them now. Very nice. We'll put on in the meanwhile. The fish them are go and get themselves after. We have it come. Tastes nice, cuz.
Yeah.
Nice, man. Yeah, man, because I go and cut up piece of the conch meanwhile. So let me see what I go on there. Hot down, because.
Hot, brother. Hot, right. Yeah, cuz. Up. Check out the lifestyle.
Yeah, man, potato looking so lovely. But the fish them seems to be getting ready now. So we can start have a feast. But this is a big feast in the peeps. Because just me and cuz alone, you know. And you know, so I have to go and eat beside conch meanwhile, you know, people. Yeah, man. Oh, God. Yeah, man. We go and eat beside conch. Get it cut up. Ooh. Ah. Man. Mama Lou, man. Mama Lou. Very nice and lovely, my people. You know, over rust. It just right texture, you know? Very nice. Well, Bobby and Chucky. Big up on yourself. And you're there. Guys, you don't know me carry Pepsi for a morning. Tap one shop and buy Pepsi because if I can check out on the beach side, there's no vendor. Yeah guys, so I the 4 fish them now. 2 for cuz and 2 for me.
Active.
Take it. Oh God! Yeah.
This have to cool down feet. This can't eat it. This can't eat it, brother. You have some people like food and hot, but this. Active man fish well properly.
Yeah, man, I have to get them in my own set. Me and our peeps, me and our cuz I get them in a film phone, you know?
You want to say it's not like that, bro?